The gauge fluctuates in itself within a second. It'll go down, then it'll go up all by itself.